Hey there! And welcome to the BrainChecker's YouTube channel, India's largest career counseling company. The career we will be discussing today is MD in Clinical Hematology. Our entire video would be divided into 5 sections. Introduction. Nature of work. Eligibility and professional courses available. Best colleges. Career prospects and salary. I would like to point out that the data given in this video is not exhaustive in nature and has been made for educational purposes only. Students are requested to perform their own due research before choosing a career. You can check the description for additional details and assistance from BrainChecker. So let's begin. Introduction. Doctor of Medicine in Clinical Hematology is a doctorate clinical hematology course. Clinical hematology is the process of diagnosis, treatment, and prevention of diseases of the blood and bone marrow as well as of the immunologic, hemostatic blood clotting and vascular systems. The program has been so designed to give the resident comprehensive training in clinical and laboratory hematology, to enable them to follow a subsequent career pathway in either academic or community hematology. The duration of the course is 2 years and some institutes are providing for 3 years as well. Now let's go to nature of work. Hematology is a subspecialty of internal medicine that focuses on diseases and disorders of the blood, lymphatic system and blood vessel walls. Hematologists might also specialize further in pediatric hematology or hematology oncology, the medical treatment of cancer. Their primary duties are the diagnosis, management and treatment of problems such as anemia or hemophilia. Diagnosing disease is one of the primary responsibilities of all physicians. A hematologist begins this process with a thorough medical history and a physical examination. Blood disorders often originate in the bone marrow, so a hematologist might perform a procedure called a bone marrow aspiration to help make a diagnosis. The doctor inserts a needle into the center of the bone and obtains a specimen for laboratory analysis. Hematologists also rely on various lab tests and imaging studies such as CAT scans or MRIs to make a diagnosis or track a patient's progress. Once the diagnosis is made, a hematologist's duty is to treat or manage the problem. They might prescribe medications or dietary changes, for example, if a patient has anemia. Some also administer or prescribe chemotherapy to treat blood-related cancers such as leukemia or lymphoma. They might also administer blood products to patients who have blood clotting disorders. Patient and family education is also an important component of all medical treatment. Although they begin as internists, hematologists act as consultants for a specific problem and do not generally provide primary health care. Now let's go to eligibility and professional courses. Candidates who wish to do MD should have cleared 10+2 or equivalent examination, with a minimum of 50% marks in physics, chemistry and biology. Aspiring candidates should have completed an MBBS degree with minimum 50% marks. Some of the very reputed institutes conduct an entrance examination for admission. For practitioners and research workers with at least 10 years of practice in the field, the requirement of fulfillment of such basic minimum eligibility criteria is not applicable. Candidates should have completed a 1-year compulsory rotating internship after passing the final professional examination, which is MBBS, before April 30th of the academic year. We at BrainChecker help students in choosing their career. To know if this career suits your talents or skill sets, you can consult a BrainChecker career specialist. Check link in the description for more details. Now we are going to look at few good colleges offering this qualification. Osmania Medical College, Hyderabad. Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur. Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. B. M. Institute of Mental Health, Ahmedabad. Guwahati Medical College and Hospital, Guwahati. Maharishi Markandeshwar University, Ambala. Mahatma Gandhi Medical College and Research Institute, Puducherry. Amrita Vishwavidyapitham, Coimbatore. And many more. Moving on to the next part of the video. Career prospects. The laboratory work required in the study of blood is frequently performed by a medical technologist or assistant. Many hematologists work as hematologist-oncologists, who provide medical treatment for all types of cancer. Their course interprets laboratory data and synthesizes laboratory and clinical data to provide rational solutions for patients with hematological problems. It makes the students supervise the activities of a clinical hematology or laboratory services wherever necessary. They work mostly in laboratories in biomedical roles, but others work in blood transfusion centers or in clinical roles where they have direct contact with patients. Working with other clinical professionals will also be part of a hematologist's job. They have teaching options as well as teaching or training medical students and other hospital staff, for example nursing and pottering staff. Some of the job roles include blood bank officer, clinical pathology consultant, customer relation executive, hematology technician, medical transcriptionist, pathologist, and many more. Salaries can range between 25,000 rupees to 30,000 rupees per month. In private hospitals, the pay package is slightly higher. The starting salary will also increase or decrease depending on the college where the student pursues his higher qualifications. With that, we come to the end of our video. Thank you for watching. If you love this BrainChecker video, please like, share and subscribe to us. Bye.